What is a dollar store in America? In this video, I'm going to show you what is a dollar store, what are you getting inside it, and yeah, that is a store like the Chinese stores in South Africa, with the exception you can get bread and milk also here. It is a quick stop, and you forgot some little things you need. But anyway, whatever you can get in the store, some of them is in this video. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Shop shop.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
Let us start in the kitchen. Here you have coffee cups, glasses, and there on top is some water containers. You even have some pots, and we'll have the plastic bowls with knives and forks, plastic containers. Then you have your paper cups, paper plates, and plastic forks and knives. Here I'm trying to show you it is a very good quality of paper that you get here. Paper towels and foam cups. Then you have a variety of coffee creamers. There you have some different teas, and you have different kind of coffees, and you have to look very careful for coffee, because here you must make sure it is instant coffee or ground coffee. Ground coffee is Moor coffee, and in general you get Moor coffee. Ground coffee, instant coffee is not that popular here in America, but it is available. There on the left top corner, you can see the milk. It is, you buy it here in 1 gallons, and the in general the red labels are full milk, and the blue labels are your skimmed milk. And then you will see there's some eggs, uh, bacon, some cool drink. And then this photo I actually took to show you all over on the doors of the grocery stores. You see, we are hiring. You are seeing the labels, and when you scan that code, it will take you to their recruitment website where you can apply for a job. These Energizer batteries is a lot of crap. Don't buy them. They are really, really very bad. And if you look very carefully, you will see some of the price labels is in red, some of them are in green, and then you get your black ones. Now, I want to know if you know what is it for. So please comment in the comments if you know, and tell us why is there different color label tags. You will see it all over on these photos that I present here. You will see these different color price tags. Right, let us get to the main stuff. So yeah, there is different bryers available, barbecues, and the price is on the box. Look there, $40, $25, and that green stuff on the left, that is fire lighters. Here you have fans. The price is also on the box, $30, $25. And here is some cooler bags, $35. If you want to check closer, I think you try and pause the video and on that spot. Here you have some barbecue accessories. See, $5 for that one. $20, $25. So this is actually quite affordable. These barbecue accessories. There's some folding up chairs there on the left. Camping chairs. Then you have your garden accessories. And there is some dog food. Your different charcoals, what you can get with fire lighters, and there is even some stuff for children. And this is your fire lighters. There's quite a different variety of fire lighter gels available. Here is some different kind of duct tapes and silicone paintbrushes, some householding hardware items that they have. And then here is, I would actually recommend that you come buy your extension cords here. It's not the same quality than you have on the other stores, but they are much, much cheaper, and I think the quality is okay. You will find extension cords and double plugs, stuff like that here. You will not find plugs what you can put on a lead. Only the plug on the female or the male. You will not find it here. The only place where I could find it so far was at Walmart. They do not like to do the extension cords themselves in this country. A very interesting Blara hark. So this one, look there, it can expand. And it was not even that expensive. If you look at my other videos, you would see I forget one at one of the Walmart stores, and that one was in the $30. And look here, $10 for this one. Oh well, I did not take it now, but definitely in the future I will get me one of these. It is really convenient that it can fold up so small. Here we have some car parts like oil and cleaners and all that stuff. Normally what you get in a checker store where the automotive section is. And here is electrical hair cutter. As I understand, hair cutting is quite expensive here in America. So if your wife or you can cut your hair yourself, it will be much cheaper for you. And it seems like if you can do a woman's hair, you can open your own business here, because it seems like they are very expensive according to the South Africans. So you will make your money among the South Africans you will make your money. Here is the off-the-shelf medicine you can buy in these family stores. You can get it here, and I think you must pause the video if you want to see more about prices and what do they have. I cannot tell you what is here. I'm totally not, I do not like medicine. And here you have your toiletries, roll-on, shampoos, and there's some soaps. And this is, here you can see what is there available. Here is some bleach, and there is soap for to do washings. Here is Eileen busy to watching for linen, and there is some pillows and blankets. Here is the glasses, the normal glasses you get in South Africa also, those ones, the reading glasses with times 1.5, you also get it here. That is available here. That is what I used when my glasses broke. This is a raincoat, very small package, and I put it in our bag. All three of us have one like that in our bag. And that one is like, it's almost like you just pull a plastic over you. It's like that, but it's very convenient if you always have it with you. It's small, it's light. And then if with these buses, then the rain is coming, then you are prepared. And there is some umbrellas. And then here you can see some socks. There's all kind of stuff here. Underwear, baby stuff. That is all here available in the store. And here is some stationery. If you hit like and subscribe and you put comment, it helps the channel a lot. And cheerio and out. We will see you in the next video.